how to recover permanently deleted text messages on Android and iPhone. So if you want to recover permanently deleted text messages on your Android or your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to open up your Messages application. You can also go with Google Messages. Now here, go and select the text message. Like for example, I'll just simply go and delete this message right here. I'll tap on Move to Trash. Now you can go with your profile, which will be on the top. Scroll down and then tap on Trash, and here you will have all of the chat that you've deleted. So if you want to recover your deleted text messages, you can just simply tap on the message that you've deleted and then go with the Restore option. Once you tap on Restore, it will be restored. But as you can see here, it says chat will stay in the trash for 30 days before they're deleted. So if it's been more than 30 days that you've deleted the text message, then it will permanently delete and you won't be able to recover it. It's the same with your iPhone as well. You can go with your messages on your iPhone and go with recently deleted. From there, you can select and recover the text messages that you've deleted. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.